Hi, good day guys, my name is Alex with tips and tricks on LG's home entertainment. Right in front of me are two LG XBOOM XL party speakers, and the most common question about them is how do I enable the wireless party link, or in other words, how do I synchronize audio from one XBOOM party speaker to another or multiple ones? Well, that's exactly what we're going to be doing in today's video, so buckle up in and I hope you guys enjoy the video. What you want to do is download the LG XBOOM app available on iOS and Android. Once open, just make sure that you're connected to your LG XBOOM party speaker, and in this case, I am connected to the LG XL90. Then what you want to do is scroll all the way down, go to wireless party link, and there are two versions to wireless party link. You could either use the dual mode, which is allowing you to listen to stereo mode on the same speaker. So if I had an XL90 and another XL90, I could listen to stereo mode left and right on both XL90s. In the multi-mode, it allows you to pair up to 10 LG XBOOM party speakers. So in this case, I will need to use the multi-mode because I have an LG XL90 and an LG XL5S. So I'll click the multi-mode and I'll click transfer music to nearby speakers. And what you want to do on your XL5S is just enable the Bluetooth pair mode. So hold down Bluetooth pair mode if it doesn't pick up over here. Then click connect speakers. And there you go. Now you have your LG XBOOM party speakers connected together and you can enjoy music synchronized on both of them. And that's how you do wireless party link. And guys, that is simply how you can synchronize the audio from one LG XBOOM party speaker onto another. And if you guys did enjoy this video, a thumbs up and as well as a subscribe will be highly appreciated. If there's any other topics you would like me to discuss on this platform, please comment them down below and I'll try my level best to get to them. But until next time guys, I hope you guys stay good and I'll see you guys in the next one.